Picture yourself in the 2014 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 120,000 miles on the odometer. Look forward to even the most ordinary outings when you drive this sleek, comfortable Odyssey. Its smart tech keeps you safe and connected, while its thoughtful interior features assure a relaxing, peaceful passenger experience. It's so powerful and nimble that you may forget you're driving a minivan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat, electronic stability control. Powerful, agile cargo hauler meets safe, comfortable family oasis. Drive the Honda Odyssey.